and I'll be taking you through my favorite, the Texas Hangover Burger. And as you can see there, they display the food. Everything is amazing. So the main thing here, as you can see, the burger has 2 buns, obviously, and then it has cucumbers, fried onion, bacon, and then there's the eggs, and then the melted sweet cheese. This thing is heavenly, clearly. And then it comes to the side serving of fries, the coleslaw, the sweet sauce, the chili sauce, and salad. You can see my friend here, and you pay break, and a cola. So I just wanna. I just want to dig into the burger already before she attacks it. It's sweet, guys. So you guys come pull up at the tunnel so that you can try this burger. It's heavenly. It's devilishly delicious. So pull up. Pull up, guys. Hello, welcome to the Tunnel TV. I'm your host Betha. I'm going to be taking you through the pepper steak. It comes with fries. It's amazing. Its arrangement, wow. It looks nice. Wow! You just want to dig in. Can't wait. I'm telling you, they come hot. They are hotly served. They don't waste time. They are served with soy sauce. There's chili. Wow, it's amazing. The steak has coriander. There's salad. Wow, it's amazing. The fries are also amazing. Perfect. Just drive in. It's along Mombasa Road, the tunnel. Utaiona tu hapo kwa barabara. The tunnel. Yes. You come. You can even have it with your drink. Yeah. Amazing. This thing is amazing.
Hi guys, so welcome to the Tunnel TV. I'm your host Kajuju. So on another episode, I'll be taking you guys through the Nyama Choma. We all know it. Everyone loves Nyama Choma, you know. It's the Kenyan and official national dish. You guys should turn up at the tunnel and get yourself a plate of the finest Nyama Choma, which is served with either fries, you can get it with ugali or anything that you might like. Salad, you know, it comes with kachumbari. We have you guys sorted out. Anything that, you know, what you like, we have it at the tunnel. So you guys are located along Mombasa Road. You can turn up. We have ample parking for you guys, and come get yourself a plate of the finest Nyama Choma. You're only at the tunnel. Hold up, we got you covered, you guys.
Now I'll be taking you through the theme night. So Mondays is Reggae Monday, Tuesdays is the Chill Out Tuesdays, Wednesdays is Ladies and Cocktails with DJ RG Miles. He'll be playing the piano, Afro music, and EDM music. And then on Thursdays is Throwback Thursday with DJ Andre. Friday and Saturdays we'll be having just parties, and then Sundays we got you covered with the F1, and still it's a party. So you guys pull up. We love you guys so much, and just be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Make sure you come here. We didn't miss clubbing at the channel because it's been cold lately. It's been really cold. It's been cold, but we really miss you guys. We want to see you here one-on-one, and we appreciate the love that you're showing us on all our platform. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I can't wait to see you on episode 8, 9, 10, 11, blah 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 of the channel. TV. So it was nice. We really had a good time. We tasted all the meals and they're so nice. So we come atujachocha shit. So you just have the exact meals we've been having. Hakuna tumeadiwa kwa hiyo haitakuwa kwa hiyo. So that's nice. So I can't wait to see you guys next week with your host Blondie. Nitakuwa na Piera leo sijui ameenda ushago or something. Piera alienda ushago, she was supposed to be here. Kyla
ameenda kula matoke.
I know Kyla, it's so complicated, but ako pia na Drew. So it's gonna be nice. Our Instagram handle is @thechannel_KE, YouTube @thechannel TV, Facebook @thechannel. Shukran. Peace be with you. Peace out. Peace out. Peace be with you guys. The eggs and then the Bitcoin. So I can't wait to dig in.
Have everything covered for you. Nimesema nini?
Facebook @thechannel
Yeah. As you can see, amazing, isn't it? Oh gosh, I just want to dig in right now. Yeah. We also do deliveries. We pack you mara moja, no wasting time. Masa nakwambia hapa kuna mchezo ni kukula. We want you to, with this quarantine, you feel yourself driving, come, we have a nice parking, you just come, you eat your free couch, you come eat, you eat your lunch anytime. Hey, wait to see how I'm enjoying. Nakata kukatika kwa nini? Amazing. Haki kitu ni tamu lakini si ati nini. Guys. Hata kumwaga unajua ni pesa unaangusha wewe. Aki mtu ataniona landlord akiniona unajua ni rent yangu.